There are 7 everyday items you should never throw in the trash, because what you can do with them is absolutely brilliant. Let me show you how. 1. Old toothbrush. Instead of throwing away an old toothbrush, heat it slightly with a lighter just below the head. Don't burn it, just soften it enough to bend the head backward into a 90-degree angle. Hold it until it cools and hardens. Now, put a bit of toilet cleaner on it and use it to clean under the rim of your toilet, where a regular brush can't reach. Once done, rinse it off and store it with your cleaning tools. 2. Citrus peels. Don't toss your orange peels. After squeezing oranges or tangerines, chop the peels into small pieces and place them in a jar. Fill it up with vinegar until all the peels are submerged. Close the lid and let it sit in a cool, dark place for 2 to 3 weeks. After that, strain it and pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Dilute it with equal parts water. You've just made a powerful citrus cleaner, for free. Perfect for your kitchen or bathroom. 3. Dryer lint. If you have a dryer, save the lint from the filter. Stuff it into an empty toilet paper roll. Congratulations, you've made an excellent fire starter. Add it to your fireplace or wood stove. It lights easily and burns long enough to ignite your firewood. 4. Bird feeder from toilet paper roll. Here's another clever use for toilet paper rolls. Cover the outside with a thin layer of peanut butter. Roll it in bird seeds until it's fully coated. You can hang it outside with string or slide it onto a tree branch. Birds will love it, especially in cold seasons. 5. Banana peels. Instead of tossing banana peels, turn them into plant food. Chop 100 grams of banana peel and soak them in 1 liter of water for 2 days. Strain the liquid and use it to water your plants every other time. It's packed with phosphorus, potassium, and magnesium, just what your plants need to thrive. 6. Silica gel packs. Those little packets you find in new shoes and bags? Don't throw them away. Place them in your toolbox, cutlery drawer, sports bag, shoes, or closet to absorb moisture and prevent rust or odor. You can even reuse them. Just dry them in the oven at 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, for 30 minutes. 7. Lemon peels in the dishwasher. After squeezing lemons, don't toss the peels. Place them on the rods in your dishwasher. The citric acid will clean your dishes, make glasses sparkle, and even help descale your machine, extending its life. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more genius tricks that save money and reduce waste. And don't forget to watch the next video on your screen now.